Good morning everyone. Welcome to Varandaves Kannada YouTube channel. My name is Vidya. Here I am going to teach quantitative aptitude, and in that the particular topic called quadratic equation. Okay. Quadratic equation ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ PU ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡೋಣ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು 10th ಮತ್ತೆ PU ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್. We have to use lot of steps because ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸಿಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. That's why we have to use some shortcuts and tricks. So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು quadratic equation ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, the first thing is what is mean by quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Equation ನಮಗೆ ax square plus bx plus c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ quadratic equation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, see here a and b are the coefficient of x. See, coefficient ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಹಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, and c is a constant here. Constant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಥಿರಾಂಕ. I think you are getting the point. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದೇ ಇದು, ಬಟ್ ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, then what is mean by linear equation? Linear equation is the equation which is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is coefficient of x, then b is constant here. See, equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Quadratic equation, cubic equation, then linear equation, homogeneous equation, non homogeneous equation, ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ SSC ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು linear equations. Okay, I think maximum you will get 3 to 4 questions from quadratic equations in your prelims exams. SBI, IBPS, RRB, RBI grade B ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಂದ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ you will get 4 questions, total 4 questions. So that's why it is a very easiest topic and interesting also, so you can score easily here. So we'll move towards the definition and then how to solve the quadratic equation. See, now first quadratic equation solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we'll include some steps. See, 3 steps are there. So every time ನಾವು steps ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Why? Because ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Why? Because we are banking and SSC aspirants. So initially we are beginners. We don't know about anything about quadratic equation. So ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥರೋ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Once we are good at basic, we can solve thousands and hundreds together questions. But basic ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So that's why ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಥರೋ ಬೇಸಿಕಲ್ ಥರೋ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿ, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. Okay, this is the first step. And then second one is how to find the value of x and y. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. Then second one is how to find x and y, and then third one is how to compare the two values. So finally you will get an answer. For example, see, this is our x and this is our y. Okay, here it is 2, here it is 3. Example 1. See, first we know about comparison between x and y. See, x is 2 and then y is 3. Which is greater? Obviously 3 is greater. Okay, then second one is, it is 4, then it is 2. Which one is more greater? 2 is greater here. Then in third example, here it is 5, then here it is also 5. What's the relation here? Both are equal. Okay, see, this is 2 and 3. Which is greater? Y is greater. So final answer is y is greater than x. Okay. Then here x means 4, y means 2. Okay. Which is more greater? Here x is greater than y. Then the next one is both are equal. So x is equal to y. This is the final answer. Comparison between two values means x and y, and the final answer is it greater than x, or is it greater than y, or is it x equal to y. And then one more condition is there. Suppose the given value is 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4. Okay. In that case, so 3 is greater, and then here 4 is greater, and then equal. So we'll get 1 is y is greater. In first equation y is greater, and then second equation x is greater, and then third equation is both are equal. See, here we can't build any relation. The answer is cannot be determined. Relation cannot be built between x and y. So our answer is relation cannot be determined. Answer is C and D. Okay. What type of equations will appear in exams? Means quadratic equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ equations ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ equation types ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತರ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ x square and 12x and 32. The product is 32. Before x there should be a no constant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 1 ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್. Before y also nothing is present. Nothing is present means y is must and should. So this is first type of questions. ಈ ತರ questions ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. Then second type of question is see constant before x and constant before y. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ constant term ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But this is second type of question. Constant term ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 2, here it is 4. So this is second question. And then third, in generally what is the form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. The third type of equation is b form idella, which is having even number. Okay. Then c form. C place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು more than 2 digit. It may be 3 digit or it may be 4 digit. See, this is third type of equation. ಈ ತರ equation ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಇದೆ. So this is third type of equation. And then what is fourth type? This is our general formation of equation of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, a term as usual normal constant is 1 here. Then here also constant is 1 here. Then in b place it is in terms of root. Okay. Root formation is the b place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. So this is again fourth type of question. And then this is called, I already told you, in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. So it is linear equation as usual normal. And then final. This comes under sorts and indices, but SSC ತುಂಬಾ ಈ ತರ questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why I covered here also. Okay. Fine. 5 types of question ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು. So next, by solving some more examples, we'll clarify about this topic. Okay. We'll discuss some examples based on quadratic equation. See, in the question, 2 equations are there. Okay. ನಮಗೆ 2 equations ಇದೆ. Equation 1 and 2 are given. You have to solve both the equations to establish the correct relations between x and y. Okay. ನಮಗೆ 2 equations ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು x and then ಇನ್ನೊಂದು y. Okay. See, ಈ 2 equation ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿ relation ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. What is our first step? The first step is just find the equation. Which type of equation it is? Is it quadratic equation or is it linear equation? First equation and find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Without finding the equation, we can't do anything. Okay? The equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So, ಇದು quadratic equation. Okay? Then what is the next step? Just find the value of x and y. Okay? Now we'll find value of x and y. What is the value of x? X square 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. We want the product should be plus 32 and the sum should be minus 12. Okay, what are the products? 1 into 32. Is it possible? Yes, product is 32 but sum is not possible. Why? Because 32 and 1 is obviously it is 33. So next factors are 2 and 16. Is it possible? Obviously the product is 32 but sum is not possible because sum is 12. Okay, the next term is 4 into 8. Okay, 4 into 8 is 32 and then 4 plus 8 is 12. Which 32? We want plus 32 and then which 12? Minus 12. So minus 8 and minus 4 will give us plus 32 and minus 12. Andre minus into minus plus 32. ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು 32 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಅದೇ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು minus 12 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 4 and 8. ಓಕೆ, while writing the result means final answer ಬರಿತಾ you should just reverse the signs. Plus 8 and plus 4. Final answer ಬರಿತಾ sign ನ reversal ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, the next equation y square plus 5y minus 14 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. Why? Because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c and then but we want product should be 14. See, nothing is there means 1. So 1 into 14 obviously we get 14 itself. So products are 1 into 14. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Why? Because product is 14 but sum is 5. So we can't get 5 here. Then next 2 and 7. Is it possible? Yes. We want minus 14 but plus 5. So that's why plus 7 and minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is plus 5. 7 into 2 is minus 14. But while writing the resultant, so I already told you, just reverse the sign. Minus 7 and plus 2. This is our x1 and this is our x2. Okay, this is our y1, this is our y2. First two equation find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then x and y value find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The last stage means it is comparison between x and y. Okay, what is the value of x1? Just compare x1 with y1, then x1 with y2, then x2 with y1, then that x2 with y2. Okay, what is the value of x1? x1 is 8, again x1 is 8, x2 is 4, then x2 is 4. See, value of y1 is minus 7 plus 2, then y1 is again minus 7 plus 2. Okay, plus 8 and minus 7, which one is greater? Obviously x1 is greater. Then plus 8 plus 2, which one is greater? 8 is greater. Then 4 and minus 7, so 4 is greater. Then plus 4 and plus 2, so plus 4 is greater. See, we get all the greater values. So final result will be x is greater than y. What's the answer? X is greater than y. Option A is right. Just next question. Okay. Next question. What is the equation of x? First check, is it linear or is it quadratic equation? Yes, obviously it is a quadratic equation. Okay. What's the first equation? X square minus 19x plus 60 is equal to 0. Is there any number? No. No means 1 is present. So 1 into 60, obviously it is a 60 only. What are the two factors? When we multiply, we get 60. When we add, we get 19. Okay? Product ನಮಗೆ 60 ಬರತ್ತಲ್ಲ, sum 19 ಬರತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So what are the factors? 1 into 60, it is not possible. 2 into 30, not possible. 2 into 30, it's not possible. Then 3 into 20, no. 4 into 15. See, 15 into 4 will get 60. Then 15 and 4 will get sum is 19. But which 60 we want? Plus 60. Which 19? Minus 19 we want. So minus 4 and minus 15. Minus into minus plus. We get plus 60. Minus 4 and minus 15 will get minus 19. But I told you why writing the resultant. You just reverse the sign. Plus 15 and plus 4. This is our final answer. Then for y, what's here? 76 y square plus 15y 76. Okay. What are the factors? We'll get 76 when we multiply. We'll get minus 76, and when we add, we'll get plus 15. Okay. Plus 15. What are the factors? See, 1 into 76 is not possible. 2 into 38, no. Then 3 into 76 is it divisible by 3? No. Then 4, it's not possible. 5, 6, then 7. Okay. 2 into 38. Okay. By using prime factor, we'll decide the factors. See, 2 into 38 is nothing but 76. See, 38 means 2 into 19. Okay. These two as it is. See, factor sigutta nodi. 2 2s are 4 and 19. 19 and 4 will get 15. And 19 4s are 76. What are the factors? See, here it is we want plus 15 and here it is we want minus 76. So, plus 19 and minus 4. Plus into minus, minus. Then plus 19 minus 4 we get plus 15. So, resultant should be in reversible order. Means minus 19 and plus 4 is the answer. Now, we just compare the terms called x and y. What are the x value? 50 and 4. What are the y value? Minus 19 and plus 4. Okay? X. Just consider this is a x term and consider this is a y term. Okay? 15. Is it greater than 19? Yes, the first term. Only consider this 15 to just compare these two values. 15, is it greater than minus 19? Yes, it is greater than minus 19. Again, this 15 is greater than 4? Yes, it is greater than 4. Means x1 is comparing with y1 and y2. Every time we should not write x1, y1, x1, y2, x2, y1, x2, y2 because it's taking a time, too much of time. Okay? First question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 15 is greater than minus 19 first term. Then 15 is greater than plus 4. Okay. And again x1 comparison completed. Then x2 comparison. x2 compared with y1. Is it 4 is greater than minus 19? Yes. Then again this 4 is greater than 4 or equal to 4? This is equal. This is comparison between x and y. So what's the comparison here? X is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y. Option X is greater. Option D. Option D is right. Just next question. Okay. What's the next question? X square plus 12x minus 28 is equal to 0. See, this is also a quadratic equation. Here we have 1 means nothing else to multiply here. Just it is 28. Product is 28 itself. See, what are the products? Obviously 2 into 14. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes, 2 into 14 is possible. But which 28 we want? Minus 28. And which 12? Plus 12. So, plus 14 and minus 2. See, plus 14 minus 2 will get plus 12. Plus into minus, obviously minus. 14 into 2 will get 28. Okay. But while writing result, just reverse the sign. This is our x1 and this is our x2. Okay. Then y equation. What is the y equation? Y square minus 11y plus 24. Okay. What are the factors here? Product should be ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 24 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 11 ಬರಬೇಕು. See, 3 and 8. Okay. Which 3 want? Here minus 11. So here it is plus 24. So minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 plus minus 8 will get minus 11 and minus into minus plus 24. But for resultant values we just reverse the sign. Plus 3 and plus 8. This is y1, this is y2. Now we have to compare the x value with y value. What are the x factors? Minus 14 and plus 2. Minus 14 and plus 2. Okay. Then y values plus 3 and plus 8. Just compare, just take this term, compare with two values, x and y. See, minus 14, is it greater than 3? No, it is less. Then minus 14 with 8, is it greater than? No, it is less than 8. Then take, this is first time, then take for second time, take this value. See, plus 2, is it greater than? No, it is less than. Plus 2, is it greater than 8? No, it is also less. So, the final answer should be x is less than y. This is our final answer. So, option B is right. Then, next question. Okay. X square plus 10x minus 39 is equal to 0. What are the factors we want? See, it is 39. Here it is 10. So 30 and 3. Why? Because 13 3s are 39. And 30 plus 30 minus 3. So answer is plus 10. See, plus into minus, minus. Plus 30 minus 3 plus 10. See, factors are, resultant factors are in opposite signs. These are the x factors. Then y factors. What are the y factors? Y square minus 17y plus 42 is equal to 0. So product ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 42 ಇರಬೇಕು. But sum ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು? 17. So 2 into 21, it's not possible. Then 3 1s are 3 4s are 14 3, is it possible? Yes. 14 and 3 will get 17. Minus into minus, plus here 42, and minus of 3 minus of 14 is equal to minus 17. but resultant answer should be reversible order. So plus 14 and plus 3. Okay. Now we have to compare the value of x terms and y terms. What are the values of x? Minus 13 plus 3. Minus 13 plus 3. And then y terms value plus 14 plus 3. Okay. So this is x and this is y. Just take this term 13 first time, 13 to 14. Which one is greater? Y is greater. Minus 13 to plus 14. So y is greater. Then minus 13 to plus 3. Again y is greater. Then again just consider second term. Plus 3 plus 14. So obviously y is greater. Then plus 3 plus 3. Both are equal. Okay. The equation means final answer should be y is greater than or equal to x. Option E is right here. Okay. Then next question. Okay, this is the second type of equations. Andre before x enide namage 2 anta constants ide. So this is second type of equation. Again before y we have 4. See, x square plus 11x plus 12 is equal to 0. What are the factors here? First tell me what is the product here. 12 into 2 is nothing but 24. 24 is the product. Then what is the sum? Sum is 11. Factors are 8 and 3. Why? Because 8 is a 24. 8 plus 3 is 11. But we want plus 11 and plus 24. So obviously it is plus 8 and plus 3. But in resultant terms it is minus 8 and minus 3. See, before x square constant term ide. E constant term na maribardu. So just divided by 2. Again divided by 2. Ivaga x term complete aitu. Then next term is y. So 4y square plus 13y plus 10 is equal to 0. What is the product here? 4 into 10. Product is 14. But we want sum is 13. See, factors are 8 and 5. See, we want plus 13 and plus 14. So, plus 8 and plus 5. But in resultant term, the reverse sign minus 8 and minus 5. But don't forget divided by 4. See, divided by 4. The next step is just compare x term with y. X term with y terms. What is the x term here? 8 by 2. 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 4s are. It is minus 4. Then 3 by 2. It is minus 1.5. Okay. Then here 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are. It is minus 2. Then here it is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is nothing but 4 ones are. Then 4 2s are. Here it is 1.2. Just compare the values x and y. Okay. Minus 4. Minus 4 is less than minus 2. So x is less than y. Just take these terms. Compare with these two terms. Minus 4 is less than minus 2. Okay. Then take this minus 4. Just compare with minus 1 by 2. So obviously y is greater. Then just take minus 1.5 and minus 2. See, here also x is greater. Then minus 1.5 and minus 1.2. Here y is greater. Here y is greater. So this is greater and lesser. So answer should be C and D. Answer cannot be determined. ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ is right here. See the next question. X square minus 18x plus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, product should be 45. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 45 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 18. ವಿಚ್ 45? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45. ಸಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ minus 18. ಓಕೆ, 5 into 9. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Why? Because product is obviously 9 5s are 45, but sum should be not 18. It should not be 18. So we'll take 15 and 3. Okay, 15 into 3 is it 45, but 15 and 3 also will get 18. So we want plus 45, but here we want minus 18. So minus 15 and minus 3. Minus 15 plus minus 3 minus 18. Minus into minus will get plus, but the resultant value should be in terms of reversible order. Plus 15 and plus 3. These are the value of x. And then for y, y square plus 14y plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, what are the factors here? 48, we want plus 48. Is it 8 and 6? 8 6 are 48. 8 plus 4 is 14. See, here also plus sign is there, here also plus. So plus 18 and plus 6. But answer should be in terms of reversible order, means sign should be in terms of reverse. Okay, the last term is just comparison of x and y terms. Okay, what is the value of x? 15 and 3. Then what is the value of y? Minus 8 and minus 6. See, just compare between x and y. Just take this 15 to minus 18. So here it is x and here it is y. So obviously x is greater than y. 15 ಮತ್ತೆ minus 80 compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15 ನಿಮಗೆ greater ಇದೆ. Then this 15 compare with minus 6. So this x compare with y2 term. So obviously x is greater here. Then just take x2 term. This 3 is compare with y1. So obviously x is greater. See, 3 ಮತ್ತೆ minus 8 ಮತ್ತೆ plus 3 is greater. See, just compare with this. This is first comparison and this is second comparison. So just 3 minus 6. 3 is greater. So we get 1 greater. So every symbol is greater only. The final answer should be x is greater than y. X is greater than y. This is our final answer. Option A is right. Okay. Next question is x square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 0. What are the factors here? Product 30 and the sum is 11. So is it 6 and 5? 6 5s we get 30 and 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, but ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ 30 ಬೇಕು? plus 30. Here we want minus 11. So minus 6 and minus 5. Minus 6 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 11. Minus into minus plus 6 into 5 30. But resultant values are plus 6 and plus 5. Okay, then next term is y square, then 4y 45 is equal to 0. What are the factors here? See, 9 5s are 45. We want minus 45, but here we want plus 4. So plus 9 minus 5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು minus 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get plus 4. So 9 5s are 45. Minus into plus we'll get minus itself. But resultant factors are minus 9 and plus 5. Okay. The last step is comparison. Comparison between x terms and y terms. What are the x terms? 6 and 5. And then what are the y terms? minus 9 and plus 5. Nothing is there means plus irutte, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus irutte. Okay, just compare x and y. See, this 6 is it greater than minus 9? Yes. Plus 6 is greater than minus 9. Then just compare with 5. Plus 6 is greater than plus 5? Yes, it is greater than plus 5. See, x1 term is over, then just take this term. This plus 5 just is greater than minus 9? Yes, it is greater than minus 9. Then this 5 and this 5 both are equal. So, our answer should be x is greater than or equal 1. What's the option here? X is greater than or equal to y. Option D is right answer. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು what is mean by quadratic equation, what is mean by linear equation, types ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. So next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ based on that quadratic equation and based on that linear equation will come with some more examples. Okay, thank you.